Today's Tuesday Tech Tip highlights a resource called Quizlet and Quizlet Live. What Quizlet is an online resource that allows you to create your own flashcards for studying. Now, to use Quizlet, you'll go to Quizlet.com and you'll either sign up with Google, or you can log in. Students can do this as well. If they're under 13, they get limited access to the resources. If you are a teacher or over 13, you have more resources. We call this a freemium account, but it has plenty free resources. You don't need to upgrade in order to get the most out of this. Now, when you're in Quizlet, you can create a class, and you can create folders if you wish. You can create a class and have students join those classes. I have a class here. I've never had students in it. I just share the set out that I've created. So to create a Quizlet, you'll click Create. You can give it a title. And then you can enter a term. Here, you can want to choose your language. I'll choose English. Come down here and we'll type in, this will be where you put your word and then your definition, and then you do word 2 and the definition there. When you're done putting in all your words, you click Create, and then you have this huge set of things you can do. Now that you've already got it, you can share it straight to Classroom, so students could use it to practice. And you can learn your words. There's flashcards. You can write the words, spell the words, give yourself a test on them, do a matching game. Gravity is a game the students love to play. And then there's Quizlet Live. But in order to play Quizlet Live, I need six unique terms to start it. So all of these would be for individual students to use and practice. So from within this set, I'm in a new set now that has more than 2 words in it. I could share it here where I could push it out to Google Classroom or give kids a URL to join. I can click on flashcards. This is for some prefixes, and then students can use these to study. It will also read them to the student. Another thing that we can do with Quizlet, we could take a test for practice. As a teacher, I've used these tests to help me write my own tests. So written questions, matching, multiple choice. So students can practice ahead of time. The gravity game, students are pretty popular with this one because they race each other. So they've gamified it. They're going to come up with a definition, and you type the answer there. One of the best features, though, that Quizlet has come out with this last year that helps for the whole classroom is this idea of Quizlet Live. So once you go into Quizlet Live, you can create a game. And the free version is the definition and the term, so it'll create a game. Students will go to Quizlet.live, they enter this code. And of course, there's music now that goes with it. You can turn that off in the settings. And this is what Quizlet Live looks like in the classroom.
Meet Quizlet Live, the easy-to-use classroom game that blends competition and collaboration to engage every student in learning. Quizlet Live groups students into teams that must work together to win. While teams are prompted with the same set of questions, each teammate sees different possible answers, and only one person per team has the match. Students need to communicate to choose the correct answer and move forward in the game. As they play, the teacher's screen acts as an interactive leaderboard, tracking each team's progress and adding fire to the competition. If a team answers incorrectly, they go all the way back to the start, so choosing simply for speed won't work. Instead, the stronger their teamwork, the faster they'll go. And the first team to correctly answer all questions in a row wins. When the game ends, the teacher can lead a class review, or easily start a new round to give students another chance at glory. To play, you'll need an internet connection, one device per student, a teacher-controlled computer, and a way to project. Start by logging into your Quizlet account and choosing a study set. Select Live to generate a game code, then project your screen so your class can see. Have students open the Quizlet app or go to quizlet.live in their browser. After they enter the code, they can add their name to join the game. Everyone in? Your students will be instantly grouped into teams. If possible, ask them to get up to sit with their teammates. When they're settled, start the game and let the fun begin. Quizlet Live. Competition, collaboration, ultimate student engagement.
So, in Quizlet, you can create a study set. Students themselves can go in and create a study set and link their study set into a comment in Classroom so other students can practice the study sets. I've done this as an activity for students, and sometimes they make better study sets than I do. Also, to save time as a teacher, if I need a study set and I don't have time to make it, I can search study sets on there. If I need Civil War 1863, I might find other terms, timeline, all of these things, and I can go through here. I can look at the study set, I can make a copy of it, and then I can modify it for my class. So give Quizlet a try. Try Quizlet Live. We have a couple of teachers that have been using it very successfully in class. Let us know how it goes.